boys will try to hit a million K up on that.
What do you want? Is it filming?
What are you doing, man?
P-Boy's getting smaller tires so we can go lower.
More slammed or what, Colby?
Almost.
What do you think?
But you gotta
Yeah.
just push it.
Got the year one tech here, making sure everything goes smoothly.
Oh. Alright, listen up.
Oh,
You're gonna leave us a tire first there, Adam.
oh, I'm cheetah boy.
I'm so fast! What's the Kellogg's guy's name, Ben?
Tony the
They're great!
Oh,
That's Nelson.
That's a fucking tiger.
Tony the Tiger.
That's Nelson. Tony the cheetah.
Well, the boys are driving home in straight Rams.
No, Nelson's year one tech, don't worry, he's got it. Nelson, for a fucking cheetah, you don't work very fast. Come on. Yeah, like what is this? I thought you were a record time guy. Alright, blast
Alright,
it.
now blast it on, Nelson.
Cheetah blast it.
Yeah, cheetah boy, come on.
Yeah, you are cheetah man.
You go from the top?
How loud is that?
Are you gonna put, you gotta do air at the same time.
No, how do you, is this?
Do you want me to go do the air?
Man,
I got it.
year one tech, eh?
How loud is the shaking?
3,
Pretty loud.
2,
There's no way it's gonna work. It's
Not gonna go.
vertical.
Kobe, push the tire up and go. You can go from the bottom.
2, 1.
You're not putting air in at the same time.
No, I will air it and then I get
Okay.
3, 2, 1. Oh, fuck.
Yeah. Something.
Man,
Great work, Nelson.
3, 2, 1.
Nelson, you really let us down.
Ben's pro master. I'm
Or
sorry.
Nelson did it so fast that it's already on the car, and this is the second wheel.
Hey, yo. Go check it out.
Mom. Holy shit, man, he swapped you, dude.
Bro, you get me new tires and a new wheel.
And he put some insane camber wear on it.
Fire.
The fastest.
Alright, watch the magic, Nelson. Watch and learn, right?
Look at that. First try.
Okay.
Holy, that's a stretch, eh?
Thanks, guys.
Yes. Watch and learn. 60. You're driving on rocks, man. Okay, so lower the front, put the new tires on. Gonna match the other side, roll it off, see how low it is now. Huh?
So I recently bought a Cressida.
Fucking quiet on set there. I don't know.
Maybe shut the fuck up, man.
Fucking trying to film, right?
Wanna fucking die, man? I'm ready to go. I'm ready to go right now.
So I recently bought a X3 Cressida from my good buddy Braden. Here it is. I just came to Ben's house, getting an exhaust on it because it came from like basically header. So yeah, here it is. Got some Mark 1s equipped in the front, and then put some exhaust on it. Gonna manual swap it. Yeah.
Now you doing some little blast pipes right now?
Yeah,
What's
little
going on?
blast pipes. I can do a little test fit.
Yeah, show us what you got going on. Oh, shut the fuck up, man.
I'm not really doing anything. Ben's doing all the work on this.
Yeah, what are you doing?
I'm like helping out with
You're one tech, not even working on his own car. Sorry.
It would be like that.
Less chilled than the 180, right? No. No.
Yeah, let's see that.
That's better.
Hey Ben, I need the bathroom.
It wants to go down like
Let's go upstairs and
fucking a little over an inch.
yes, make sure to.
I don't know how that works. Yeah, the back is a little lower.
Front needs to come down an inch, at least.
Rotors are warped. Calipers are permanently closed.
They're seized, eh?
They're fucking seized as it gets,
You're
man.
just dragging your rear end around, eh?
Like when I'm driving, especially down a hill, I can make 90-degree turns, man. Don't even gotta touch the steering wheel. So, Uncle Joel better come through with the parts. for discounted price.
You think so, eh?
You better.
I'm paying full price, Colby. Fuck you.
Man.
Do you got one of the like electric snap-on ones?
Yeah, just in my arm.
Okay, do it, Colby. Watch out. Let's see here.
Yeah, it's good. That's it. Yeah, that's
No,
good.
come on. Turn the wrench on now.
Sound effects.
Yeah, it's about good.
How many foot-pounds is that?
It's like 85-90.
Is that like factory?
Yeah, like for like 4 loads most, aren't they?
Alright, Nelson, can you slide the jacket while I lift my car?
Holy shit! Almost.
Almost
Are
there,
you even
boy.
trying? You know, you can black out?
I think I can get it all the way off the ground.
Right now.
Snap the back.
Let's see. Come on, I want to see the tires come off the ground. Come on,
No.
man. You got more in you than that.
My back would snap.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's better. See these filaments.
Dress.
Why that's sick though. Nelson, you should actually buy that.
Yeah, Nelson, you need that.
No, that's actually sick on you.
It does look sick.
Holy fucking look at
That's
the
actually
clearances, man. You're tucking knee in that.
Tucking me, I'm
Dude.
slammed.
Wait, do it up.
Yeah, zip it up. Yeah, that's fire. Fire for sure. Yeah.
Garage and Noshi. That's an ad.
Alright, as you can see, we still got some stuff left. Garage Noshi. Lots of option magazines, Drift 10 Goku magazines, option DVDs, some wheels, some cool jackets. Look at this. Moon Eyes and Goodyear. Satin bomber jacket. And the Waco's satin bomber jacket. How's this not sold? Super J, I know you're watching this. Buy it. Lots of steering wheels too. Got a brand
Oh,
new.
Super J.
What?
I said hello, Super J.
Got brand new deep corn. Stock Sylvia wheels. Some Momo races. Nardi classics. Momo Dino. Lots of steering wheels you can see. Some cool wheels. Some deep Mark 1s. Some
Look at
really
these
deep
watts though, man.
Sorry, man.
And then yeah, more steering wheels. We got ketchup chips on deck. You can pick these up on the site. Absolutely delicious. Got some strut bar bars. And some seats. Yeah, go to Garage Notion on Instagram. P-Boy just bought the steering wheel. Be like P-Boy, look at him. Just bought the R3 Nardi. Be like P-Boy.
Oh wait, I thought.
Be like me.
Is that?
Yeah.
Did that one sell?
Hello.
Ken, what's going on?
Doing a quick mock-up. Saw that thing on there.
You're welding on some glass pipes?
It used to be on the GX.
Oh, really?
They went from the X8 to the X3.
No doubt.
Does it look weird?
It's like it's sticking out a lot further than the mock-up, but that's alright.
pretty thick.
Is this yours?
No.
I think it looks good.
Yeah?
If it was tilted the other way, it would look weird. But that looks sick.
Nelson, watch the fucking
Still sitting on the hoist in the
watch the
front.
fab work, man.
I like it.
Yeah, we're still gonna jack up the front. What's the new daily?
Yeah, I've been doing that for like 4 days.
Wait, start it up.
Yeah, fire it up, Nelson.
Is that a running current?
I think it's degenerate.
Should we just roll it back in?
Yeah.
Can we jump it with a car?
Fuck, just letting them know, hey? If you're feeling it, 2 sips in, just getting pissed or what?
Yeah.
Just spin that fucking fan on top real quick.
Yeah.
I'm getting a trailer for it.
Why?
Garbage.
What?
Recycling.
Oh, I think maybe you're gonna put this on a trailer.
No.
So you can like take it
You can
places.
take it to the track and stuff. Have you seen those lawnmower races where they have them really slammed? It's like dirt track racing.
This is how it must feel when your daughter or your pride and joy meet up with a Surrey kid.
You are a
just-
Surrey kid, Jason.
You just feel disgraced
Disappointed?
and ashamed.
How disappointed are you in this right now? Your new toy we're all so excited about.
That's all right.
And then it shits in the bed.
We're gonna give her a chooch, alright?
Give her a mo.
That's scary.
Finally got a powerful vehicle, hey Jason?
Dude, this thing versus the D21, what do you think's winning?
D21 for sure.
No, this for sure. What do you mean? It's 21 horsepower.
Same speed pretty much, eh?
Yeah, same speed though.
I don't know.
Right on.
Is there a lifetime warranty on all Craftsman stuff? You could probably trade this in for a brand new one.
Yeah. Okay, go.
How's it going, man? Holy fuck. No, put it in park on the right. Right against the wall.
Closer?
Yep.
I don't know about that one.
It's slow.
Dude, alright,
I'll have to brake forward.
Huh?
I'll have to brake forward.
Keep going, man.
I don't want to fucking damage your new rig, man. I'm going through the brick.
Keep going. Look. You're not there yet.
Julian over here.
You know a lot about that.
Dude, we're getting fumigated. Come on. Okay, that's enough.
That's good.
That's finally good.
Alright, on our way back. Did the mods. Car still sounds like shit. Subscribe for more content. See you in the next one.
week, man.